Invisible germ storm alert. A single sneeze can launch 100,000 germs into the air at speeds faster than the world's fastest animal. That's right, your sneeze travels quicker than a cheetah running full throttle. Each burst creates a swirling cloud of microscopic droplets you can't even see. These tiny invaders can linger in a room for hours after you've gone. While you might cover your mouth, some particles still escape and float around. Next time you hear someone sneeze, remember, you're probably walking right through an invisible storm.